Hi guys, this is a follow-on from the Big Trades webinar I done part 2 this week. Just looking at the markets that I'm thinking of going on big moves. Starting with the Euro Swissy here. Got a lovely buy signal on the ProTrend system. Entry, stop, action point, first profit target, new profit target 98.70 auto-generated. So we're green on the traffic lights here. Nice ProTrend system. Tracks are nice and green as well. We're just getting a bit of a stalling price action today, but even if we do turn back to red here, I'm looking for a brand new move. Green ProTrend system back up. I think the monthly chart looks absolutely fantastic, and we should see more upside in these pairs against the Swiss franc. So very nice move, already up. Very nice on this. Stop, risk-free trade in the trading stop mode. Let's have a little look at some others. Here's a market that people have been a little bit surprised at, and it's the wheat market, Chicago wheat. And commodities are a lovely market to trade, especially the grains when they go on these big trending moves. And we're waiting here. We've got a trend predictor. Okay, this is a long trade, so I'm looking for a green ProTrend system. I'm looking for that to come. If we can get that in the next 2 days, something like this, then I'll be buying more of the wheat here, guys. So let's see if we can start to push. And I think if wheat does give us that ProTrend system buy, I think we could really take off and get a really big move beyond these highs at $7.30. So I'm watching this because this could be a really big monster trade. The whole pattern is there. We just need to now break higher with a green ProTrend system buy. Gold, we've had a nice ProTrend system buy at about $2,333 here. Pushed up to first profit target, action point, second profit target or action point for this area is 2391. We're trying to push higher, aren't we? Now we've got a lovely green, we call this green on green, where you get a lovely monthly green buy signal and then you get a new daily. So if the monthly is green ProTrend system, you just wait then for a nice green on the daily and then trade it. That's where we get those monster trades from. Okay, so looks like we've got a bit of a trend line running across the highs here. I think we'll push through that, no problem. We can then start to push into new highs on gold. Been a fantastic move from $2,000 and $2,000, and I think we're pushing nicely higher. Another one that was on our radar was this Aussie New Zealand. Once again, we had a lovely monthly ProTrend system buy, and then we got the trigger to go long here on the Aussie New Zealand. So Aussie been really strong, meeting all profit targets. Very nice push higher. Big move yesterday on news. Green ProTrend system has already built in a buy signal for that market. Absolutely beautiful, and you can see I think we've got further to go, but that is now in trading stop mode. Let's turn on the trading stop, and that trading stop now is pushed right up to 110.39 right in here. So you don't need to guess where to put your trading stop, and I think one of the most challenging things in trading is where do you take your profits? Because you really do want to hang on to trades like this until they turn red. The ProTrend system turns red. You want to trail that stop. Now, there's the trading stop number 110.39. Your entry is down here. So you've locked in all that profits on this trade, and that's where you want to get to. You want to get your stop to break even in a system-like way. You don't want to choke the trade too much, but once we get to that first profit target, then or action point, we can then get that stop to break even. So cracking trade this. I think we've got further to go. Euro dollar, I want to take a look at the pound US dollar as well, because I think that is setting up a monster trade. In sterling, we've got a lovely ProTrend system buy here on euro dollar, pushed up to first action point. We've got 108.56 just around the corner here on this profit target. So euro dollar nicely higher at the moment, looks strong, and maybe a potential really break higher, get above 109.50 and maybe back up to 110. We've got a profit target sitting at 109.98. We'll certainly be going for that. And as I said, keep your eye on this pound US dollar here, guys. We had a lovely buy signal here at 127.26, I think it is. We got 128 first action point, move our stop to break even. We've got 129.66. This is breaking out of a symmetrical triangle on the monthly. green pro trade system as well on the monthly, and we got the nice new trigger. I think the pound versus the US dollar, I think the sterling in general is going to strengthen, and we are certainly seeing that in the pound US dollar. So guys, plenty of big blue whales taking place here, and let's not forget the biggest of them all has been the tech and the Nasdaq and Nvidia. Let's take a look at those two. Here the Nasdaq, we have been straight up all the way. Pro trend system buy, pro trend system buy, pro trend system buy. Got another target, 29.79. Now we're in complete trailing stop mode with this market. We are up big time on this trade. What a move. A little bit of divergence creeping in here, but it doesn't matter because we've locked in our profits. And some incredible buy signals on Nvidia. I mean, everyone's trying to guess when the stock markets, especially the US markets, are going to roll over and go down. With our pro trend system, you know, we're long and strong still. We're going to have a pullback, of course, and once we get that pullback, the pro trend system will give us the heads up when it turns red. You know, once we turn red on the pro trend system, then we'll get a pullback. But while we're green and strong and long in the tech market, in the Magnificent Seven, Apple has been flying, and Nvidia here, and Amazon as well, and Tesla, of course. So once we get a red pro trend system, then we can exit those long trades. But let's not try and guess when to get out. Let the system do the work for us. And there's no need to try and guess. And Tesla here, it's so high up. We've had a beautiful move. People said it was high here. People said it was high here. Until the pro trend system turns red, it's still in a buy mode. Yes, it is overbought, most definitely, but it could have been overbought here. If you haven't got the PTS, then of course you're just guessing at it. All right, so guys, if you want to jump on and get a call back with one of our course advisors, you can get the pro trend system, get on these big trades with us here at Trading College, because there's some monster trades setting up and it's only just starting.